If you still have an old amplifier, hi-fi system, or a mini stereo gathering dust, this project is for you. In this video, we'll show you how to breathe new life into that vintage gear using just your Raspberry Pi and the Volumio app. By the end, you'll be streaming your playlists, internet radio, and more, controlling everything from your smartphone. Welcome to blackdevice YouTube channel. First, let's talk about what you'll need. Your vintage sound system. Your Raspberry Pi. A micro SD card, along with a card reader. An RCA to 3.5mm cable. Your smartphone, and finally, the Volumio app, which you can grab from the App Store or Google Play. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your sound system. Make sure your amplifier or stereo has an auxiliary or line input. Most units label this as AUX, video, or portable in. If that's the case, you'll need an RCA to 3.5mm cable. The red and white plugs go into your stereo's input, and the jack plugs into the Raspberry Pi's audio output that was mounted on Pi models before the Model 5. Step 2. Choose the right Raspberry Pi. Volumio runs on any Pi, but for smooth performance, stick with a 3B, 3B+, or 4. If you've got a Pi 5, note that it no longer includes an audio jack. To get audio out, you'll need an audio hat, a small board that sits on the GPIO pins and provides high-quality analog output, and sometimes even an onboard amplifier. There are plenty of hats designed specifically for hi-fi use. Pick one that suits your needs. We'll leave some links in the description. Step 3. Install Volumio on your Raspberry Pi. First, insert your microSD card into the card reader and plug it into your computer. Launch the Raspberry Pi imager, choose the correct Pi model, then under Operating System, select Media Player OS and pick Volumio. Select your SD card as the target, hit Write, and wait for the process to finish. Eject the card, pop it into your Raspberry Pi, and power it on. No monitor or keyboard needed. Step 4. Set up Volumio. With your Pi powered up, wait about 4 to 5 minutes for the initial boot. Meanwhile, install the Volumio app on your smartphone. On your phone, head to Wi-Fi settings, and you should see a new network named something like Volumio XXXX. Connect to it, and the Volumio setup screen will automatically launch. Follow the prompts to connect your Pi to your home Wi-Fi network. Once that's done, your smartphone and Volumio are linked. Step 5. Add music services. To access Spotify and other features, create a free Volumio account and log in. Go to Settings, then Plugins. Install and activate the Spotify plugin. Now, open Spotify on your phone, tap the device selector, and choose Volumio. Pick your favorite song and hit play. Just like that, your playlists will stream through your newly revived vintage sound system. You can even install a YouTube plugin to send audio from the YouTube app directly to Volumio. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. You can use Volumio directly on your Pi by attaching a compatible touchscreen, like the official Raspberry Pi touch display, connected via the display socket. This would let you operate Volumio straight from the Pi, no phone required. Cool, right? Oh! And make sure to enable the hotspot fallback so that if the Wi-Fi connection is lost or you take your device to a different location, Volumio will automatically create a new connection to join that network. And that's it. You've just transformed your Raspberry Pi and vintage audio system into a sleek, modern streaming powerhouse. It's a fun, easy way to make old tech feel new again, and you'll love blasting your favorite playlists through that classic gear. Give this project a try, and let us know how your setup turns out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow our blog for more DIY projects, product reviews, and smart tech ideas. Thanks for watching.